What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pseudo Race Boys and Their Toys. Guys, hey, I got another product review. I'm going to be installing finally a handle on my carriage doors. As you know, about a year and a half ago, I installed these carriage doors by myself. They came out really nice, and I'm happy with them. But in doing so, I never put any type of handles on it. So opening it from outside, I always had to pry my fingers between the seams of the carriage doors to get it open, and you know, it was just get frustrating. So I finally buckled down, got into the hardware stores, went to Lowe's, went to Home Depot, looked online, etc., trying to find some ideal carriage doors that I like, and of course most of all that my wife liked. We finally came across this brand here. It's called the National Hardware Rustic Pull. So I'm going to install these onto my carriage doors. Alright, so again, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks on my garage. I know you guys out there who have this type of garage door or looking for something similar, always want to get an idea on how it would look. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on mine. It's not really much of a how-to, because all it is just centering it and drilling it in. So, but I just want to profile it, give you guys out there a different look on if you're doing this type of project and you need some type of pull handle on your carriage doors, what this one may look like on your doors. All right, again, the Rustic pull, and let's get to it. All right, guys, if you like this channel, if you like this type of content, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and like as I say, hit all the damn buttons. All right, and I'll check you out. All right, so let's get in the video. Thank you for joining me, and let's check this out. All right, guys, here it is. A little closer look at it. It's the 8-inch version. All right, Rustic pull, and it's a black finish. All right, I picked these up at Lowe's. My wife picked up another set at Home Depot, which initially we were going to go with. The other one at Home Depot was more of like a gothic, I could call it, type of cut, but we kind of like this one instead. My opinion. All right, it goes well with our decor outside with the other pieces of hardware, so it's nothing to it. All right, so we're just gonna open it up. It's just the hardware they give you. What I like about these, about this handle, as opposed to the other ones. Okay, it's a nice finish. I like the profile, and what I like about this one, both screws are the same size. All right, same size, and plus it has a hex nut type of fitting. All right, which I like. As you see, a hex nut, and they give you the two to install it. All right, the little hex nut. So already installed one of them already. Let's take a look at it right now. Alright, guys, I hope you can see that. It's kind of bright out here. But I got the first one up now, and the idea is pretty much just to center it up on this door here, and it's pretty much like centered between these two hinges here to give it that look. So that's how it looks, guys. All right, this is my barnyard door, carriage doors, and I love these doors. Well insulated. It keeps the heat in, keeps the cold out during the winters. Very ideal. Very pricey, but well worth the cost. And to tell you the truth, I'm the only one on the block with them, so it sets my house apart from anyone else, which is give that curb appeal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit here and install the second one over here for the other side, and I'm gonna be done with it. All right, so let me continue on with that, and then I'll come back and show you the final results. Alright guys, change of plans. As you can see, I already got the other one set up already. Initially I was going to screw this one in. Alright, and I pretty much got my measurements in center, but I want to be 100% sure, because then once this is in, there's no taking it off. Alright, these are AZAC doors, you can't get a do-over, nothing. So what I'm going to do, I'm wait on till later tonight, because I want to make sure this handle is perfectly leveled with this handle over here. And I'm pretty sure I got it right. But I do own a, it's not the best, but I do have a laser, a Johnson laser, and unfortunately it's too bright, and against this white I can't see it. So I'm gonna have to wait for the sun go down a little bit in the evening, and then bring this out so I can actually see that I'm totally leveled on this side with this handle. So we're gonna pick this up later on in the evening to make sure it's perfectly level with this, and I'm gonna screw it in at that time. All right. Maybe it's overkill. Maybe I should just trust my measurements. But hey, I have a tool. All right, why not use it? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this leveler to make sure the second handle is perfectly level with the first handle, so it looks pleasing. It's not off. All right, and that's pretty much it. All right, so we'll continue this video later on this evening. All right, guys. Sun went down, and now I'm gonna sit up down and to do this next one with the laser. All right, so let me get set up and get this thing installed. Alright guys, see I got it up. Alright, got it nice and even. Took my time and used the laser to make sure everything's nice and leveled. Alright, I double checked, triple checked, and did different techniques to make sure I had it right. Alright, and that's pretty much how it looks, guys. It's kind of dark right now, but these are my carriage doors that I put up. Check out that video that I posted a while back on how I installed this by myself. So I'm finally glad I got some handles on it. Initially, I was opening by squeezing between my fingers through here, which was a hassle. But now I got some decent handles on it, and it looks good. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Sorry about the audio. Got an airplane, I'm outside, got the crickets going. So again guys, Suitor Race, Boys and Their Toys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, like, subscribe, and I'll check you out in the next one. Later.